Alrighty. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, so tonight we got a Invica Reserve Hydromax. So if I believe right, and I don't want to go on the story, I could be wrong. A billion people come out of the comment section attacking me for the history, telling you the history of the Hydromax. I may be wrong, so I just won't say it. I'll just fix it. Alright, so it's got a hopefully dead watch battery. I'm just going to take this band that's just split it here. I'm not going to try to take it off whenever I can avoid it, right? Alright, got that. So there's the, maybe I will take the band off. Let's see if that wrench fits in there. Yeah, it fits. Okay, good. That's the back of it. I think the back's kind of cool. And I think this is based off of a, okay, it's my opinion, this is based off of a concept watch. And Invica kind of put it into design. Look at that glass, isn't that slick? Look at that, bam! It's actually very comfortable to wear. I used to wear this out mainly on weekends. I never wear it to work. I don't want to ding it up. It's pretty staunch. I'm sure it can handle it. But I just wore it kind of sparingly. I'd go to the movies with it or whatever. And looks like it's already adjusted. Tried changing out a Venom a little bit earlier. Let's see. Some of these watches I run into like kind of brick walls, I call them. Like when you're working on something, you run into a a battery or something I can't change. I did that a couple times tonight. There it goes. Okay, good. So far we got cooperation. Maybe this is the ticket though. Maybe I have batteries on hand. I'm trying not to go across town anymore. I don't want to go out and put myself in jeopardy here. Put my mask on and all that stuff. I'm staying in right now. Okay, so we got it coming off. So what do we got? What do we got under here? Look at that. Oh, look at that. Little guy. Little movement. And I think we got the battery. Okay. See that? Alright. We're going to go ahead and pull this off. I like using this for this thing. I don't know if that's what I'm supposed to use it for, but that's what I use it for. Take my hand off that centerpiece. That would help, wouldn't it, guys? Okay. I'm just super stoked when I get one of my favorites online, and this is one of my favorites. It's ironic because I actually wear an Apple Watch right now, but I'll start wearing these once I get them back running again. Okay, I'm trying not to damage anything. Oop, hit me in the face. Is that straight? It looks straight. That's not straight at all. That's not good. That is not good. Nope. Okay, oh I see, okay. I see, so this crown screws in there. $371, huh? Oops, that's not good, guys. That is not very good, what I did there. Okay, I see the screw down crown. Yeah, that's a screw down crown on there. I have to adjust that over a little bit. And then the strut holds it in place. Okay, we're good now. We're good. We're good. I'll just readjust that once I put it back in. Okay, good. Scary. 371, 370, yeah, 371. Yes, so stoked. 371. I'm gonna give it a Duracell. I got that little Duracell laying around here from the other night. Get that in the mix, huh? So let's take the This thing out. Oh, okay, there's a little clasp there. You just hit that clasp, it pops out like that. Oop, I want to move that. I want to miss that movement. That makes me nervous, messing with that movement like that. Okay, be pushing pressure on that. That thing's moving around. Freaked me out, man. Okay, there's a little clasp. Ugh, I hate doing that. Jeez, look at that, it's moving around. I do not like that at all. I'm sure it's working, but it'll straighten it all up, but it just makes me nervous. Okay, hold on a second, let me get this thing in. This is kind of squirrely. I don't want to touch that coil thing either. Okay, put my pick in a little hole there. There it goes. There it goes. So what do we got? Yes, we got tickage. Yeah, I'm so glad to see it on this one too. I'm gonna center this. I think that strut will center all that up, and we should be good to go. Yeah, it doesn't give it much room to move, so I'll put that strut in there. That strut should line everything up really good. Hopefully. Come on, guys. Let's get this right. Okay, good. Let's see what we got. That looks straight. We got straight. We got tickage. The tickage is extra special tonight, because that really freaked me out. I don't like the way that's going though. So I'll undo that there. So it looks, yeah, that's straight. Okay, that's straight. 22, 2. I'm gonna move that around just a little bit. I'm gonna move that over just a little bit. Alright, I shouldn't be pushing my luck, should I? Should not be pushing my luck. Okay? But I'm going to. Move it. I'm going to move it just a little bit over so that thing moves. I'm not prying on that moving, I'm just pulling up on this. Pressing that down on my finger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this in place, pull this out. Okay, there's the movement. Let's center this. Like I say, real professional, right guys? Real professional. Okay, it's centered to the best of my ability. So I'm going to use that like a sight, trap it. Okay, now how's it look? Yeah, that looks better. I can live with that. I can live with that. Good. Okay, and it's running. The battery's trapped in there. The clasp is on. Everything looks good. I'm going to close it up. Look at that. What an adventure. What an adventure we undertook tonight. That's kind of... That really freaked me out though. I thought I was going to wreck this thing and throw it completely off. It looks and it feels completely seated. My hand's not in the way, is it? I still like that logo on the back, the way that's texturized like that. Okay, seal looks good. I'll close this up, give it some turns. Make sure it's in order again. Just, yeah, it's good now. It's good. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. I just hold this in my hand. I'm going to close this. I'm going to tighten this crown down real quick. Get that all squared up there. Now that I know that this thing works, right? Now that I know how this thing's seated in the case. Okay, go there. How's it look now? Okay, give her another turn. Readjust this thing, got a little thrown off there. Alright, that should do her. Alright, let me get this pin set up here. We're going to lock this into place. I have it in the second array there. Set there, holes. Alrighty. Look at that. Look at that. Let's get some productivity out of the way there, guys. I'm going to set that time and date. I am back in the Hydromax game. Yeah. So stoked over this, guys. I've been wanting a while. It has a GMT function, which I don't really know how it works. I'm not traveling to any other countries, so I wouldn't know how it works. But most of the time, December 6th, 10:32. So look at that, and I got that face straight. I was so freaked out by that face. I got that face straight. Thing was moving around. Ugh. What is it again? December 6th, 10:32. All right. Okay. 5, 6. So I guess GMT is supposed to do is it's supposed to tell, you're supposed to set that for another time zone. So if you're traveling and you cross the international date line, not the international date line, but the the whatever, you're in another time zone or whatever, you can change that. I guess it'll tell you the time zone. I'm not really sure how GMT works. I mean, I'll be honest, I'm not. I buy watches because I think they look kind of neat and they're fun to wear, but I don't always learn how all the complications work. Oop, okay, little screw up, guys. I'm going to go ahead and change that pin back a little bit to one more slot because I got the wrong. There's 2 holes up here on the clasp. I just got the 2 holes wrong. I just got to move it up. This is the other set of holes here. There. To there. All right, cool. Now we're all set. Now we're set. Look at that. So it has the clasp here, so you can put it on over a garment or whatever of some kind. So he's got the set here. You can put this over a garment of any kind. You can. That I want to order in this one. I kind of like the copper better. I'm going to order the copper bezel over the blue bezel. But look at that fat glass on that thing. Look at all the glass on that. I love that glass. All right, guys. Well, thanks a lot. You have a good one.